Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You already have the essentials: Vscode, a GitHub account, and a React app. First, install and enable the GitHub Copilot extension. Sign into GitHub when prompted. Once done, open your project folder and confirm Node and NPM are available in the terminal. Then create or open a JS or JSX React component file so Copilot can suggest relevant code. Make sure to set the file language to JavaScript React if it doesn't auto-detect. Now you'll use Copilot to write real React code. Place your cursor inside a component or between JSX tags and start typing a function name or a comment describing intent. Copilot will present inline completions. Accept suggestions with tab or iterate alternatives with Control plus Enter. Use descriptive comments like // fetch user data with use effect to steer results. Also, test generated hooks and props manually. Understand and adapt the code so it fits your component lifecycle and state needs. Finish by running your React app and verifying the UI works as expected. Watch the console for runtime errors. Review Copilot's output for edge cases, performance, and accessibility. Edit where necessary. If suggestions stop appearing, reload the Vscode window and ensure Copilot is signed in and enabled, or temporarily disable other extensions that override completions. If persistent errors occur, check the output panel for Copilot logs and restart Vscode.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.